Today we're building a 760-euro computer. I've never built a computer before, so it's going to be the first. I'm probably going to bend the CPU pins and the motherboard power pins, but it's fine. Okay, it's plugged in, thank God. Okay. It's not lining up, is it? Uh-oh, I think it's something missing. Where's the CPU? Oh, there. Okay, let's not forget about that. Okay, let's not. Oh my God, that looks so nice. Am I screwing it the wrong way? I don't know how to take this off. For the parts, we have a 16GB of course Vengeance Pro RGB RAM. Just leave that there. We've got an insane GT1030. Wasting money. 1TB hard drive. A Z4 Strix B450 Gaming 2 motherboard. Ryzen 5 3600 and 750 watt wide RGB power supply. It's RGB, so it's better than a H510 with no extra fans, so it's probably going to explode. So we got to add these static first before we're touching anything. So I've got to plug it back in because I've got to plug it out. It comes with a cloth, costs like €5. You want to plug it into like the fan. Do not scratch the case. You want to plug it to the fan grill thing. These bits. Just got to get it. If I can find it. No. Okay. Plug it into this thing like that. And then you want to plug it into the wall, switch on, but this switch off, so it's not pulling in power, but it's giving out. It's not pulling in power, but it's taking out power. That power's going anti-static, so it's fine. It'll work. Let's start the motherboard. We need to open this. Hopefully I don't break it. So you got our cables. So the cable. What are these? I've never seen this cable. SATA. I have time to watch PC building videos. I never see SATA cables for some reason. No more cables in there. Okay, let's hold it. If you're doing on the motherboard, hold it by like the IO. Hold it by the IO and then the back. Never touch the actual like board itself. Otherwise, it's probably going to like break or short circuit or do something bad. We got our cable ties. We also have we have a bunch of cable ties now. Power cable. It's broken. There's like a what? Check there. No, it's not broken. It looks broken. I've never built a computer before. And these things, I have no idea what these cables are. Let's leave that there. So 2 more standoff screws, probably for something else. Mini ITX or comes with a manual. We're not going to need that. And it comes with stickers, which I'm probably going to put on the fans. These round ones on the fans. Yeah, I'm probably never going to use a game on one. Never. Okay, I have to close the board and put the motherboard on top. Put the box, put the motherboard on the top. Okay. Now, be careful not to touch. This is metal, so don't touch the motherboard with this. I'm just going to get it by this. Just try pierce through or cut it from the side. Just cut a slit. If I can. There we go. Okay. It's taking it sideways. I can't open it. Okay. I'm just gonna try rip it. No, don't try rip it. We gotta get something else. This is the bent and it's taking it. Okay, this is very long. Normally it takes like 5 seconds for people to open this, but work. Okay. Looks so nice. Looks so nice. Look at it. Oh my god. Okay, it's plugged in. Thank God. Okay. Let's not touch the motherboard. Actually, will it be fine? Will it be fine? Do not try to touch the motherboard unless you absolutely have to. So let's just hold it by the IO or the back. Hold by the back. Hold it by the back. Nudge that anti-static wrapper out of the way. Place on the box. Not a static place. Do not place on metal table. It could build up static electricity and break your motherboard. That would be really bad. So now I've got installed around. Close. It's only this and this, but you should say it somewhere on the motherboard. Oh yeah, here. It's this one, yeah, it's this one. It's normal. It comes in every single motherboard. There. Oh, it feels so nice. Wait, these ones already pulled back. I these already pulled back? So we got 16 gigabytes of CL16. 16 or 15? CL16. Corsair Vengeance RAM. RGB. This costs like €100. It's like that. No, it lines up. Is it going in? Is that it? That's it! I thought it'd be way harder. I'm actually shooting myself. Next stick. Okay, wipe off all the sweat. Okay, next stick of RAM. Next stick of RAM. Please, thank you. Okay, next stick of RAM. Okay, line up, shaky hand. That's helping when I'm playing the CPU. It's not lining up, is it? It should be going in. Unless something is entirely wrong. There it is. That's in. Oh, I thought it'd be way harder than that. It's in. Is it in? I thought it'd be way harder than that. Okay, God, now it's deep. You know what? Let's get a screwdriver. We need a screwdriver. Uh-oh, I think there's something missing. Like, it could be bad, but what if it's a fan header? It's not that bad, because I'm probably going to actually know. It might be bad. It might be good, it might be bad. Hold on. I can't really check the original picture. No. No. Is that a picture of the user manual? I can check the user manual, because I think there's some CPU pins missing. I never actually built it. But it's not. Make sure this thing works. Let's install a CPU. This is going to be fun. Especially if we do not drop this on top of the motherboard. So, there we go. Put that in here. Also, up close motherboard before we do this. It comes with an M.2 heatsink, chipset heatsink, Supreme Fix, I think it's graphics. This comes with a BIOS, batteries and paste. I think it's a power goes out, can still do BIOS. It comes with three. Yeah, that's three power supply. Graphics card cases. M4, VRM, IO. IO actually looks insane. We got the Wi-Fi, display port, HDMI, USBs, BIOS, USBs if you want to install BIOS without actually going into it. BIOS flashback. Don't press that button. Don't just spam that button. That would be bad, I'm pretty sure. And usual audio ports, and this is really old for computer mouse things, I think. I actually have a mouse at home. There's a seal. Ooh, actually, should we do it now? It's not close, okay. Ready? Don't. I'm going to leave a very bad review of this and breaks. No, oh no. Okay. Oh my god. Please, 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 please. Yes, oh my god, look at that. That is perfect. That's perfect. Why did they come with a CD thing? That's kind of annoying. Because I don't have a CD port. No computers nowadays have a DVD port thing. Okay, take off the other screw. Okay. Time to take off the next screw. Okay, oh my god, now it's CPU time. Unplug the retention arm. Oh my god. Why is it like that? Just like that again. If it's... Okay, CPU time. Hopefully none of the CPU pins broke. Scissors. Hopefully none of the CPU pins broke while shipping. That'll be sad. Amazon, I'll leave a very bad review. The box actually came with a massive tear to the side, and the box for the RAM is this side, and it could have slid out, which is bad. So Amazon needs to do a better job at boxing stuff. Like, it's kind of annoying. Because when the man handed it to me, I was like, if something fell out, I'll be mad. Okay, CPU time. This is probably the most delicate. Okay, open up sideways. Let's see what we got. Please be inside. Where's the CPU? Oh, there. Okay, let's not forget about that. Okay, let's not, oh my god, that looks so nice. Let's leave that there, don't touch that. Okay, so we got an AMD stock cooler. This thing's like the standard one, but I might actually put with the orangey stickers on them, just to make them look nice. Actually, what I think is also really annoying is the fact that when you're putting it, oh my god, it comes with pre-applied thermal paste. But like when you're inserting it, you just insert it like this. No, you turn it like this, like the eye is like facing that way. And it's black. If I got Intel on this motherboard, the motherboard Intel, where it's like really weird looking, it's better to get Intel because it's black and it looks better. Retention arm is back. Time for stuff to get intense. Okay, so when you're looking to insert the CPU, you're going to look for a triangle. Triangle is located right there, and a golden triangle on your CPU. I'm going to show you guys. The golden triangle there. You want to line up that golden triangle with that. Normally the AMD Ryzen is facing that way. That's how I always know when watching videos. Okay, now do not apply any pressure. Open carefully. Hopefully this does not just decide to go fling out. Okay, it comes with a sticker. Never gonna use that sticker. Do not touch the pins in the motor. Okay. Now you're gonna want to only none of the pins are bent. That's good. Now it's going to find a yellow triangle. Like so. And just drop this bad boy in. No force needed. You might need like a gentle tap just to get it in. It's actually very easy. Okay, it's not in. Triangle's aligned. Tension arm is up. And it should be easy as hell. Oh, that is corner meant to lift up. Okay, add it in the first time. No, is that meant to? There. Oh. Deep down on the retention arm. CPU's in. Okay. Hopefully it works. God, that was the ways that I thought I put it in wrong. Okay. Now for our heat stuff. Cooler. Okay. Oh, it's quite nice. Okay. We place it this way. The AMD logo facing the I/O. Show this camera. This thing will face towards I/O. Out this way. Just gonna line it up with the screws. Okay, threading. That's good. It's going in. CPU actually wasn't that bad. It was my first time though, so I didn't know. Am I screwing it the wrong way? Now you should be going in. No? Okay, so I gotta take it off and put it back on again. The one the holes never aligned, so we gotta take it off again. Why is it going in? I think this is one of the holes in the lining. I think here you got it. It's AMD, also the other way. It's facing the clamp. You know the clamp, the retention clamp? AMD logo that way, I think. This is gonna take a while. I mean, the other screws did go in. Unless now does this one thread? Yeah, so it has to go that way. Because it can't go the other way, or else we won't be able to put the other stick around. So it has to be going in that way. Which means the user manual is wrong. It is wrong. This manual does not work. Yeah, the springs, we didn't press down on them. And the user manual was wrong. Because it said it had to face towards the clamp, but it wasn't, because not enough room for there to stick around. So that's AMD's fault. You gotta fix your user manual. Okay. This thing should be in. I'll show some YouTube videos about it, because this user manual is wrong. Which is kind of annoying. Because if we follow the user manual, won't be able to put another stick of RAM in. Because this AMD logo will be like sliding. So we should probably like write a review about that and give a formal complaint and ask for a free Threadripper. Are we in? I think we're in. You're in. You're definitely in. You're in. You're in. You're in. I think we're in. We're in. We're in. Okay. User manual. I'm not going to scrunch it because I have to return this, or if I want to return it for a warranty. So let's just. I would scrunch it because this thing's bad for stock router installation. So now we should all be okay. Yeah, okay. Next is our GPU. I'll plug it in, oh yeah. Okay. Fan header. Yeah, CPU fan. Should be nicknamed on the motherboard. RGB header there. Where is it? Oh, CPU fan. It's a 4-pin power connector. I'm never going to become a surgeon. Why is my hand so shaky? I have to sit down while doing this. Oh my god. I hate my shaky hand so much. Why are my hands so shaky? CPU fan header's in. We gotta fix that cable while cable management. That cable's really gonna annoy me. And I know it now. So we're gonna fix that while cable management. Next thing we have to do is our GPU. Time to insert our 3090 insanely good graphics card. I have to take a look. Oh, with my ankle. Oh, I'm still wearing it. Okay. I'm going to write a very formal complaint to AMD saying that their user manual is wrong. That sticker is out of place. That's so annoying. That's so annoying. That's going to irritate me. Everything irritates me for dog plates. Okay. Scissors. It's scissors time. So our CPU thing's in. Now it's for. Okay, let's touch the heatsink thing on our GT 1030. Let's take off the PCIe protector thing very carefully. Okay. Now it goes in the top one, doesn't it? Oh my god, I forgot about that. Oh my god, I forgot. Now it's time to put into the case. I totally forgot about that. I was actually thinking about that as well. I was like, wait, isn't it supposed to do that? So we're now it's time to put our motherboard into our case. There it is. Okay. Don't worry, GT 1030, you've been missed. Okay. God, that CPU was a nightmare. Stupid thing. Find stock cooler because AMD decided to make the user manual wrong. I mean, you could do it that way if we have 2.6 of RAM, like the dual channel. It could fit, but don't put any pressure on these RAMs. It should be like, okay. Okay, so now I gotta put this in our case. Oh, it's like a. Why? This screw come out. This screw did not come out. I don't know how to take this off. Now we gotta find our standoff screws. It's too big. Oh no, it's the other side. Not fall off.